What if I told you the ticking clock on your wall is lying to you? What if time, the thing we plan our lives around, fear, chase, and try to control, is not a fundamental part of the universe at all? Today we're diving into one of the most mind-bending ideas in physics and philosophy. What if time isn't real? We grow up believing time flows like a river, past behind us, future ahead of us. But according to many physicists, that flow might be an illusion created by our brains. Einstein proposed that time is not separate from space. Instead, everything exists in a single fabric called spacetime. In this model, past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. We just experience them sequentially. Think of the universe like a book. All the pages already exist. The beginning, the middle, the end. We just read it one page at a time. But the story is already there. One theory that supports this is called the block universe theory, and it suggests that your childhood still exists somewhere. Your future self also exists. And the present is just the slice of the universal block your consciousness is currently experiencing. If this is true, then time doesn't flow. We move through a static universe moment by moment. This means now isn't special. Every moment in your life is equally real. You just can't access the others anymore. It's strange, comforting, and terrifying all at once. But here's where things get even crazier. Time is not constant. Experiments with jets, satellites, and even atomic clocks show that time speeds up or slows down depending on how fast you're moving and how close you are to massive objects. To astronauts on the International Space Station, time passes just a little more slowly. Move near a black hole, and a minute for you might be years for someone far away. So if time can stretch, shrink, and warp, is it really real or just another dimension, like length or height, that we experience in a limited way? Now here's the twist. Even on Earth, time doesn't feel the same. A boring class feels like hours, a fun day ends in what feels like seconds, and a near-death event can make moments feel like slow motion. Scientists believe the brain doesn't measure time. It constructs it based on attention, memory, and emotion. So time passing may just be the brain stitching moments together, like frames in a movie. But what if the movie isn't playing? What if the frames all exist at once? So, what if time isn't real? Maybe the universe isn't ticking forward. Maybe we are moving through a landscape of moments that will always exist. Maybe you aren't running out of time. Maybe every moment of your life is eternally preserved, written into the fabric of the cosmos. If time is malleable, then the way we live now becomes even more important. Because in this vast cosmic book, each moment you create becomes a part of eternity.